Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss the first unit of this 11th class, that is called as what here? Yesterday we finished the what here? The different basic concepts of organic chemistry as well as inorganic chemistry. Okay बेटा, यहाँ पे हमारा जितना भी बेसिक था वो फिनिश हुआ पूरा. अभी हम स्टार्ट करने वाले सिलेबस का पॉइंट. तो सिलेबस में हम लोग पहला जो यूनिट स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, इसका नेम जो है यूनिट नंबर 14 स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं बेटा. यहाँ पे द नेम ऑफ दिस यूनिट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट हियर? बेसिक्स प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. Organic chemistry. We started a topic here. It means the unit number 14. That is called as what is the basics principle of organic chemistry. Okay. Yesterday we finished the some basic concepts of organic chemistry. जितने भी लेक्चर हमारे हुए बेटा उसमें सभी में हमने बेसिक देखा. बेसिक आपका फाउंडेशन होता है, ठीक है. अभी हम डायरेक्ट सिलेबस के ऊपर सिलेबस की तरफ जा रहे हैं. सिलेबस में हमने पहला टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया पहले यूनिट नंबर 14 स्टार्ट किया, बेसिक्स प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. यू नो इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस बेसिक्स प्रिंसिपल ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. सो इन दिस यू नो व्हाट इज ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. सो वी राइट द definition and example of what here organic chemistry in the introductions. Question number first. Question: what is the introduction of the organic chemistry? So you know what is the organic compound. So the study of organic compound called as the organic chemistry. The study of organic compound called as the organic chemistry. Clear? What is organic compound? Those compound which contain a carbon called as the organic compound. For example, all hydrocarbon is an example of a organic compound. And the study of this hydrocarbon or organic compound is called as what here? The organic chemistry. For example, the special member of a hydrocarbon, it means the alkane, second alkene, third alkyne, okay, alkane, alkene, alkyne, all these is called as the what here? Hydrocarbon or what here? The organic compound. So the study of this compound, it means study of a organic compound called as the organic chemistry. Clear है? So alkane, alkene, alkyne is the example of hydrocarbon or the organic compound. So the compound which contain a carbon called as the organic compound, and the study of this compound is called as the organic chemistry. Now we take the basic principle of organic chemistry. It means what are the basic in the organic chemistry. We also discuss in the foundation arena basics. We take the some different types of question in this unit. Okay. So first of all we take the question here, what? That is called as the structural representation of organic compound. Now we take the question number first. Structural representation of what here? The organic compound. Okay, organic compound or organic molecule. What here? The organic molecule. It means how to represent the structure of organic compound or organic molecule. It means the molecule which contain a carbon called as the organic molecule or organic compound. Clear? Okay. So in this structural, first of all we take the point to point first. So first, what is a molecular formula. And second, what is a structural formula? So you know what is a molecular formula? So the formula which indicate that total number of atom in a molecule called as a molecular formula. Clear? The molecular formula is defined as the total number, how many total or actual number of atom in a molecule called as a what here? Molecular formula. For example, the molecular formula of methane, you know, methane is a member of alkane. Alkane have a main 10 member: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. So all these members called as alkane. And the first example we take the methane. What we take example here? Methane. So methane first of all gas, and the formula of methane, which formula? The molecular formula of methane is what here? CH4. What here? CH4. So what is molecular formula? So the molecular formula is defined as the total number of atom or actual number of atom in a molecule called as the molecular formula. What here? It means example of methane, the molecular formula of methane is what here? CH4. So how many atoms in CH4? So 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. It means the 5 atom in a formula of methane. Okay, total number of atom, how many atom? 1 carbon is atom, and second what here? 4 hydrogen. 1 plus 4, 5 atom in a what here? This formula. That's why it is what here? The molecular formula. So the molecular formula defined as the total number or actual number of atom in a molecule called as a molecular formula. Clear beta? For example, methane CH4, how many atom? 5 actual. Next here, what is the structural formula? What here? The structural formula. So the structural formula is defined as the spatial arrangement of atom in a molecule. The molecule, it may be tetrahedral, it may be diagonal, it may be octahedral, depend upon the arrangement of atom around the central atom. So what is the structural formula? The structural formula is defined as the spatial arrangement of atom in a molecule called as the structural formula. क्लियर है बेटा? यानी वो जो एटम है उनका अरेंजमेंट कैसा है मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर, वो एटम का अरेंजमेंट कैसा है, उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग क्या? व्हाट हियर? स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? व्हाट इज मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला? अब वो मॉलिक्यूल में कितने एक्चुअल एटम है उसे बोलते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला. और यहाँ पे वो एटम का स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट कैसा है उसे बोलेंगे व्हाट हियर? स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला. फॉर एग्जांपल वी रिकॉल द एग्जांपल व्हाट हियर? मीथेन. सो द फार्मूला CH4. नाउ हाउ टू राइट द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ मीथेन? So the structural formula of methane will be right as how many carbon? The carbon will be taken in a central and 4 hydrogen will be taken up and down side. So it is called as the what here? The structural formula of what here? Methane. The spatial arrangement of atom, this H. The spatial arrangement of this atom around the central atom carbon, or the spatial arrangement of atom in a molecule called as a structural formula. And this structural formula indicate the geometry of methane is a tetrahedral. What here? Tetrahedral geometry. Okay, what tetrahedral? Because the 4 atom attached to central atom. So how many atom will be attached to the central atom? It's called tetra. Tetra means 4 atom. Tri means 3 atom. So how many atom in the H? 4 atom attached to the center here. The geometry is called the tetrahedral geometry. Clear beta? So in this way we take the question here, the molecular formula and structural formula. Molecular formula means what here beta? इसका मीनिंग ये होता है कि एक्चुअल एटम कितने हैं उसे बोलते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, और वह एटम का अरेंजमेंट स्पेशली कैसा है उसे बोलते हैं कि हम लोग स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला. क्वेश्चन आता है आपको, हाउ टू राइट डाउन द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन, मेंबर ऑफ अल्कीन, मेंबर ऑफ अल्काइन। क्लियर है बेटा? तो सिंपल है बेटा, राइट डाउन द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन। यू नो अल्केन हैव actual alkane have the different types of 30-40 member, but we take the in a syllabus we take 10 member of alkane, it is called as methane up to what here decane, we take the one by one here। ठीक है बेटा, समझ में आया बेटा आपको? क्लियर। क्वेश्चन क्या आता है आपको, राइट डाउन द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन। सो हाउ मेनी मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन? 10 मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन, मीथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन, पेंटेन, हेक्सेन, हेप्टेन, ऑक्टेन, नोनेन, डिकेन। क्वेश्चन समझ में आया बेटा आपको? क्या आता है, राइट डाउन द मॉलिक्यूलर एज वेल एज स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन और अल्कीन और अल्काइन। अल्केन मीन्स कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, अल्कीन इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर बेटा? द अल्केन इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? अल्केन इज कॉल्ड एज अ कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, कॉल्ड एज अल्केन, वेयर इज द अल्कीन इज कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड, and alkyne is carbon carbon triple bond, called as a alkyne. This alkane is called as a saturated hydrocarbon. What here? SH means what here? Saturated hydrocarbon, whereas the alkene and alkyne is called as a unsaturated hydrocarbon. ये क्वेश्चन में आता है आपको, व्हाट इज अ सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन? So those hydrocarbon which contain a carbon carbon single bond called as a saturated hydrocarbon. For example, alkane, it's a member of alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon. What is a unsaturated hydrocarbon? So those hydrocarbon which contain a carbon carbon double bond or carbon carbon triple bond, called as what here? So called as unsaturated hydrocarbon. इसका नेम क्या है बेटा? इसका नेम है saturated what here? हाइड्रोकार्बन। इसका नेम क्या है? unsaturated हाइड्रोकार्बन। सिंगल बॉन्ड, what here? Single bond called as single bond, called as saturated hydrocarbon, double bond, triple bond, called as what here? Unsaturated hydrocarbon. In this way we take the unit number 14 basic principle of organic chemistry। इसमें हम इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या देखा बेटा? व्हाट इज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड? द कंपाउंड विच कंटेन अ कार्बन कॉल्ड एज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड और हाइड्रोकार्बन, एंड द स्टडी ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड एज ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। नाउ वी टेक द पॉइंट हियर, how many member of the organic compound or hydrocarbon? Alkane, alkene, alkyne is an example of hydrocarbon or organic compound. Clear? Now we take the second here, we take the what here? The alkane is called as the what here? Alkane, the second name is called as a saturated hydrocarbon which contain a carbon carbon single bond, whereas the alkene, alkyne called as a unsaturated hydrocarbon which contain a carbon carbon double or triple bond. Now next question we take here, what here? The structural representation of organic compound or molecule. In this we take the first point, molecular formula means what here? The total or actual number of atom in a molecule. Molecule में कितने atom actual है, इसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? What here? Molecular formula. Example methane. In the methane formula, which formula? Molecular formula CH4. It contain a 5 atom. Next, what is structural formula? The actual or the spatial arrangement of atom in a molecule called as a structural formula, और in a simple language वो एटम का कैसे अरेंजमेंट, स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट एटम का कैसे मॉलिक्यूल में, से क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला। एग्जांपल सेम हियर मीथेन आर अरेंज इन दिस वे, इज कॉल्ड एज द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ व्हाट हियर? मीथेन। इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर रहेगा उसमें क्या देखेंगे हम लोग बेटा? हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट अ स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ द अल्केन, अल्कीन, अल्काइन एज वेल एज अ मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला। ठीक है, इजी है बेटा, आपको याद रखना है। ठीक है, ओके। तो ये इसकी जो भी मैंने आपको अभी पढ़ाया थ्योरी, इसकी नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है आपको। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।